Hey guys, welcome back to Bella Boo's Lunches. If you're new, welcome. Today Bella was wanting a sandwich. However, I am out of the sweet Hawaiian buns that she likes, but these are sweet. So I thought we could give these a try. I don't know. They're just they're white donuts, but you know what? I'm thinking they're going to make a yummy little sandwich. So we're going to give it a try because those Hawaiian buns are kind of sweet. So let me just make her a tiny little bit. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I bet these are going to be delish. And she wants it with some mustard. So a little bit of mustard on these bad boys. Yum. Okay, and then she wanted some banana bread. I don't really have time to bake like a whole banana bread right now. So to get kind of like that oven flavor, I thought I could add just a little bit of barbecue sauce. That's going to give us just a little bit of that, like, I don't know. I was going to say barbecue flavor, but I guess you don't really get a barbecue flavor in banana bread. But at least it'll taste, I don't know, like it's been cooked a little bit. Barbecued banana bread. This bite is for me. She also wants a salad, so I just kind of prepped a few of the ingredients. I have some cucumbers, carrots, black olives. I have some sunflower seeds I'm going to add as well. And then we're going to, let's add some lettuce. And she loves Caesar salad. The only problem is, I'm out of dressing. But here's the lettuce. It's looking good. Let's add, let's do some carrots, a few black olives, a couple cucumbers, some sunflower seeds. I saw a new hack. I think I need to do it over a bowl because I don't know if this is gonna work. But to open up your egg, this is how you can get no shells in your egg. I really don't want the yolk to break. I did it. Ta-da! We only want the yolk because I'm trying to make just a simple egg salad because I don't have that Caesar dressing. Oh my goodness. Don't worry though, I'm not going to waste anything. I'm going to use this egg yolk and whip up some mayo. This is going to be her lunch today. Looks so good. She loves having toast with the runny egg. So hopefully, because I don't have Caesar dressing, and Caesar dressing has egg in it. So she can just kind of like pop that, have it drizzle over, and that will be her little salad dressing. And then she's got the banana bread and the ham and mustard sweet bread roll. Anyway, here's Bella's lunch today. We'll see what she eats. All right, Bella. Oh. All right, guys. How'd you do? All right, Bella. How'd you do?
April Fools.
Gotcha. Who did we get?
Everyone.
Well, I want to know. Okay, tell me at what point you realized this was an April Fool's video, and or if I didn't fool you at all because you've seen them before and you know that I'm a trickster. I don't like to trick people with food if they're eating it, but I will trick you guys because you guys aren't eating it. I just don't like people messing with food, so I would never honestly mess with anybody's food for an April Fool's joke, but to trick you guys, I'll do it every single year. So anyway, yeah, Bella didn't eat this. This is disgusting, and the lettuce
Looks so gross.
oh, it's bad. It got forgotten about in my fridge. So anyway, there you go, Bella. Now we have some donuts. You can eat the rest of them,
Yay.
and you will not be eating any of this. It's all contaminated. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Happy April Fools.